What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's just SkinnyBoyRandy. How you doing today? What's going on, you guys? I miss you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Y'all like my hat. Okay. Yeah. It's hot out here, y'all. The sun is scorching, but it just went in all of a sudden because I'm making a video. You know how the sun do. Sometimes you want to go in as soon as we need that good light. But I ain't mad at you. Thank you, Lord, for the shade because it's hot, y'all. It's hot. Zone 7, Richmond, Virginia. How you doing today? Thank you so much for being here. Welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. I love you guys. You are the best. Thank you so much for being here. Today, I hope you've subscribed to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please click like and subscribe. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the 2 middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. How was your weekend? Happy Monday. Happy Monday, you guys. July is rolling. You know we have a lot of planting and a lot of new things coming up. I'm working on stuff behind the scenes just for you guys, okay? And we've hit 6,000 members. You guys, I was supposed to make a 5,000 member subscriber video. I didn't even get a chance to do it because we were at 6,000. Yes, you guys. I went straight to the hospital from out of town. We left the hotel early in the morning. Just, you know, I took me some work clothes so I could go to work on time and get to work and do my part and come home and do my other part. This is my second job, okay? I love you guys. You are the best. Thank you so much for being here. So today, you guys, I'm not going to hold you long, but thank you so much for the 6,000 subscribers. That's amazing. I mean, like Friday, we were at 5,000. And to come home to 6,000, over 6,000, and it's steady climbing. It's steady climbing, you guys. You guys are just blowing my mind. I'm so sorry. I keep talking about it, but I'm not sorry, okay? Sorry, not sorry. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. You guys are blowing my mind with the subscribers and the comments and the love you're showing. I can't thank you so much. Thank you for telling me that I'm a positive influence in your life, your family's life. Thank you for ordering your SkinnyBoyRandy t-shirts, you guys. The response was, it wasn't even overwhelming. It was just fun. A lot of work. Y'all, okay, I be doing a lot of work. I do a lot of work now to get this stuff right for y'all. Because we ain't got no money to be fooling around with nobody. Anybody got time to be sending their money for no t-shirt. They ain't get their t-shirt. I want my t-shirt when I sent my money, Randy. Okay. Yes, I love you guys. You're the best. But why are your cucumbers wilting? Why are your plants wilting? Why are your squash wilting? It's a question some people may not know the answer to. We all are not. Well, I'm not. I don't proclaim to be a professional. Okay. I'm just a gardener, beginning, novice, amateur, whatever you want to call it. I've been on the garden my whole life. Y'all know my story, and I love you. Look at this hat, and it's kind of cocked to the side. And all right. Hey. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I get sidetracked. I ready to do my little cowboy dance. Giddy up. Let it ride, baby. I love you guys. You're the best. So, okay, back to subject. Why are your plants wilting? You come home one day, your plants just wilted down. What's going on? Why is this happening, Jesus? Why, Lord? But, you know, we don't have to ask why because everything happens for a reason. Okay, now, if you're watering your flowers and everything, they should not wilt, you know, normally. But you have to remember, we're in July. We're in the heat of summer here in Zone 7, Virginia, and we still have August to go. So things are getting really hot, especially midday. Now, a lot of people think that the hottest part of the day is in the morning. Oh, when the sun comes up, Randy, that's the hottest part of the day because I can see the sun and it's beaming down bright and early. Actually, it's not. That's not the hottest part of the day. The hottest part of the day is normally between 2:30, 3 o'clock, and 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock, you might as well turn the air conditioner right in your mouth. It's so hot. Yeah, 5 o'clock around here gets scorching hot. Yes, you guys. But don't get discouraged when you come out and your plants are wilted. It's okay. Especially if you've been watering them. So you come home. First thing you see is wilted plants. Okay? Let's just use these as an example. And I'm so glad that this kind of happened so I can show you. See how it looks? See how wilted? Poor babies. And look, he's not too far behind. Poor things. They're hot, y'all. They hot. It's hot out here. Okay. And we just had a major rain. I wasn't here, but Yeah, we had a major rain last night. So what I'm going to do is test my soil. First of all, don't just run out and start pouring water on your cucumber plants thinking that, oh, they need water, they need water. No, because actually these will pop back up in a little while as it gets cooler. So I'm going to take my hand and go down in here and just test my soil and see it's not as moist as I would like it to be. So then you would water, give it some water. Now around here is where my elephant ears are, and I don't water this area as often as I water the garden because a lot of these things don't require a lot of water. So, but this cucumber that I said I was going to let grow, it's 2 of them. Yeah. And they even have little cucumbers on them already. You see that? Yeah. And we're going to just let it grow up this bush. So this is an experiment as well, just to see how it does up here with the other tropical plants that love the heat and don't require as much water. So I'm going to water this plant. But don't get discouraged when you see them like that. That's due to the plant saying, hey, I need some water. I need some water. It's hot out here and I need some water. Okay, so let me show you the other ones. Same type of soil, but no wilt. See here? See here, no wilt. Just nice, big, healthy, fluffy, sticky, little thorns on them leaves. Look, we even got a cucumber in here. You see that, you guys? There we go. Cucumbers. Yeah, same type of soil. But the difference is this is up against the side of the house where it gets shade. The other plant is in the full sun. Y'all know how it is when you stand out in the sun. If you ever went to the beach, I don't get in beach water because I don't play that because Jaws is out there. I don't play that. But if you ever go down to the beach and get in the water, it's hot. I think that's why they get in the water. But if you walk along the sand, you might as well go ahead and fall out. Just go ahead and fall out. Okay? And wake me up when I'm in the ambulance. Not the ambulance. I need the ambulance. That means they coming quicker. Okay. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. So, if they are wilted and they need a little water, give them a little water. Otherwise, give your plant some shade, you guys. In the middle of the day, look, around my yard. Now, right up here, it's total sun. So, this plant is getting a whole lot of sun. You know, and what it's telling itself is, okay, I'm getting a little too hot and I ain't got no water. I'm thirsty. You know how it is when you get thirsty? You get thirsty. When you get thirsty, how you feel? Lord, help me, get me some water. Please, somebody give me some water hot. Just give me some water. Give me something, because your body needs that moisture to keep flourishing and be the beautiful person that you are. If nobody told you they love you today, I'm telling you, I love you guys. Over 6,000 and climbing just because of you. Only because of you. I couldn't do this if it was not for you. You guys, you have been so amazing. You have been so supportive. You are making my dreams come true. And I just want to tell you how much I thank you. From the bottom of my heart, I thank you so much. All my Skinny Boy gardeners, welcome to the Skinny Boy Farms. Beginners and experts are always welcome. You know, we don't do everything perfect and we don't do everything by the book. We've killed a lot of things. God rest their soul. But we've also grown a lot of things and we've eaten a lot of things. Thank you, Lord, for the food that you can grow on your own. Okay, I love you guys. So yeah, when you're thinking, okay, my plant has wilted, it's gone, it's dead. Don't give up, you guys. Don't give up. Don't give up. Okay? Unless you just know that you haven't watered that plant and that plant is just dry. Don't be funny. Don't even do the plant like that. If you know you ain't water that plant, you know that plant dry. Get that plant some water. Sometimes you can save them, but sometimes you let them go too far, and they're just like this. Look, I can't come back from this. My throat just too dry. I can't come back from it. You can resuscitate, you can fertilize all you want to, but you didn't kill me. Okay, been there, done that. I've killed a whole lot of plants. I sure have. But it's okay. It's a part of growing. That's how we grow, you guys. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. So when your plants get wilted, it's okay. Don't give up the first day, second day. Give them a chance. Give them some water. Give them some more shade if you don't already have a shaded spot that they're in. See, look at all these. Look at these leaves, see? Just big, healthy, fluffy flowers, leaves. Things are growing. Cucumbers are up in there. And these are along the side of the home. I always love to plant cucumbers and squash along the side of my house. Yep. And sometimes your squash will do this as well. Look at this squash plant now. What in the tie-dye is going on, I don't know. But look at these leaves. No holes. No insect bites. And you guys, I let foliage grow up. You can call them weeds, whatever. I let that kind of stuff grow up around my squash and zucchini. It hides them. I'm telling y'all, letting weeds and stuff get in your garden sometimes will hide your plants. Last year, these things were eaten up by slugs. Something terrible. And I even have a little squash coming on down here. This just is one of our many squash, you guys, that I'm going to use for this video. But look at the colors on the leaves coming out of the middle. Yeah. So we're going to see what's going on with that. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. You are the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. And if your plants are wilted, don't get sad. Get a little water and make them glad. Okay? Okay, that was cheap and corny, but that's all right. I love you guys. Stay tuned.